Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel RexSam DesolarDoctor. Today we are diving into the calculation of the efficiency of solar panel. Perhaps you are considering going solar or curious about how it works. This video is for you. Keep watching. Solar panel efficiency is actually a measure or a calculation that determines how much sunlight that is being converted into usable electricity. That is to say, the amount of energy gotten from the sun that the panel was able to convert into usable electricity is what we consider as the efficiency of the panel. So, and this efficiency of a panel can be affected by many factors, and these are the key factors that affect the solar panel efficiency. Factors that affect the solar panel efficiency. One of the key factors to be considered is one, the type of solar cells. The type of solar cell. This is actually a factor to be considered when you are trying to determine the efficiency of a panel. Like we know, the solar cells are the thing that helps the panel to attract the sunlight from the sun before doing any conversion. And there are two major cells that we use in solar panel, which include the monocrystalline and polycrystalline. So this is very important when you are considering the type of solar cell to use. The second factor to be considered when doing this is you consider the temperature of the environment. Temperature of the environment also affects the efficiency of a solar panel. We all know that as the temperature decreases, the efficiency also increases. Understand? So the increase in the temperature affects the solar panel. So that is to say, when you know the cells that is being used in configuring or in producing or manufacturing the solar panel, it will help you to determine where it will be mounted. Most at times, you see that in a sunny period, the solar panel tends to generate higher and also convert more of the generated sunlight into usable energy. So that is why this is put into consideration whenever you are doing efficiency calculation. Then we have another factor to be considered. The next factor to be considered is angle and positioning. The angle and positioning of your solar panel is also important. For instance, when you are about to mount your solar panel, probably on top of the roof, or even using a normal frame or a stand for it. So you also consider the angle at which you position the panel. If you face it close to the roof or you face it up to the sun, you have the tendency of generating more electricity, and also the panel will be more effective in converting those generated sun into usable energy. So you consider the angle at which you position your panel, and also the positioning, how you position it also matters in order to trap the sun and convert it into electricity. Then we equally have another factor to be considered, and one of the factor again is shading. Shading, this is a key factor also when you are putting on your solar panel or mounting your solar panel anywhere in the site. It is important to know that a shade can actually reduce the efficiency of your solar panel. Perhaps you have trees around the environment, or you have things that can actually cast a shadow on top of the solar panel. You will be able to discover that when there is a time of charging, probably you want to use it to recharge a battery, either deep cycle battery, or you are converting it directly for usage. You always find out that because of the shade which has cast a shadow on top of the solar panel, will affect the efficiency of the panel, thereby not allowing it to generate enough energy or not allowing the sun to penetrate into the cells, which will be able to be converted into usable energy. So it is important to consider shading, how clear the environment is. Make sure that there's no shade close to the solar panel in order to avoid casting of shadow on top of the solar panel, and this will help the solar panel to be more effective, and the efficiency will be maximized by generating more than you think or imagine. Using these factors will help you to know how the solar panel works, and the efficiency of the panel can be calculated also. I'll be going right now to teach you how you can calculate it by considering all these factors. I will show you how you do the calculation and get the efficiency of the panel. Keep watching. Like I said, in calculation of this efficiency of the solar panel, we need to understand this clearly. All these factors that I mentioned here must be put into consideration, and I want to now show you the calculation by giving you the formula for calculating the efficiency of the solar panel. Look at this now. Efficiency of a solar panel can be expressed as efficiency, which is always 100%, is equals to the power rating of the panel all over the sunlight input. So knowing this, that let's assume that EF of a solar panel is equal to power rating over the sunlight times 100%. So in doing these calculations, there are factors also, or steps to take for us to get this. Then getting these steps, one of the steps you need to know is that you need to know the power of the panel, power output of the solar panel. Then you know the area of the solar panel. Then the third thing to note is the sunlight input. So this is the three steps that you must understudy and know them very well if you want to get the calculation of the efficiency of the panel. So right now I'm going to show you how you can use this and get it through that formula. Remember, when you are considering area, you already know the SI unit of this and the SI unit of powers, which is always either in watts or in kilowatts. So I'll be expressing them here so that you understand it and apply it whenever you are choosing the kind of panel to use during your installation. Let's go there. Said, calculating the efficiency of the panel. Let's assume our solar panel has a wattage of 300 watts, and we know that our sunlight input is 1 kilowatt per 2 meters square. Understand? So now, and we have this is expressed power against the area. So that is why it is like this. Then we have the area of the solar panel to be 1.6 meter square. So how do we now articulate this to get the efficiency of this particular panel now? For us to get the efficiency of this panel, what we have to do, having noted this, and this, what we are going to do is we're going to say the efficiency is equals to 300 watts over 1.6 meters squared times 1000 watts, because we already know that 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. So knowing this will help us times over meter square. So if this is the case, what it means is that we are going to have, we multiply it by 100, we are going to have 300 times 100 over 1.6 times 1000. So which will now give us the efficiency to be 18.75. Like I said, this, you know that this is actually what you needed, and understanding this concept will help you to choose the best system for your need. So this will help you to know, after calculating this, you can apply it in any size of your panel. All you need to know is to know the area of your panel, then you know the wattage, that is the output rating now, which can be power rating of your panel, and equally know this thing that I mentioned, the sunlight input. So sunlight input can only be gotten on a clear sunny day. So when the sun is at the index, that's when you can be able to know the maximum this sunlight that is being trapped by the solar panel. So when that is done, you'll be able to fix this calculation. And understanding this concept, for you that is watching this video, understanding this concept will give you the reason to choose the best and when to choose the best for your need. You cannot buy fake panel or something that does not meet up with the rating of what you want to do. But knowing this particular calculation will help you to know the best panel to go for. So that is why we have taken our time to detail this for you in order to learn and utilize it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and also ask your questions below so that I can bring it up when next I'm posting the video. So in our next video, I'll be taking the next calculation, which is very vital also on how you can size your battery banking and also do some other certain calculations that you need to know in your solar system. Keep watching and see you in my next video. Thank you.